Khadija 650-watt drill is a robust and powerful impact drill and ensures a longer usage time thanks to the high-quality build of the drill. The box includes a 360-degree adjustable handle, a depth gauge, and a chuck key. Removable 360-degree adjustable handle suitable for left and right-handed crowd. Scaled depth gauge. This power tool is provided with a detachable depth gauge. It allows you to determine the exact depth for which a drill bit must travel inside a working surface to meet the requirement of the task. Chuck key for tightening and loosening the chuck. It has a good grip and can be handled easily for fatigue-free works. Variable speeds. The speed knob allows you to set a maximum RPM before the drilling operation depending on the application. The forward and reverse switch can be used for convenience while tightening or loosening screws. You can also lock the power by pressing power lock button and power switch together. Its main application is drilling in light metal, wood and concrete. But it can also be used for hole sawing and screw driving in metal and wood plates.